Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sasha's Artworks. Here I'm back again with my new painting and today I'll not be making landscape again. Yeah, you got it right. Today I'll be making roses in a garden. Let's begin. So after seeing this version of the painting, I decided to make few modifications like changing the color of the roses. Let's wait to see how is the final version. And yeah, I also removed some of the bushes on the side. After a little bit of more finishing, let's see how it is looking now. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you like the final version of this painting or not. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.